3.0. There's the temperature right now, high and low. This is the thermostat that tries to keep it at the right temperature. This is the alarm that tells me when to change the ice. This is the temperature inside the unit. This is the outside room temperature, this room temperature. People keep asking me to make a smaller one. This is a much smaller cooler invention. Please share. Invention by Bowdish, study by Bowdish. Right now it's 68 in there, according to that one. It's 70 according to that one. 72 according to that one. And it's 70 according to this one. And temperature's going down. Like it takes longer to shut off. There it goes, 66. But that's keeping pretty good temperature in there. High 72, low 68. Running right around 70. It says 69 inside there. $83 in the room. Please share. This is my Invention 3.0 third style study by Gene. Okay, that's 68. 68. 68. That's awesome. Need to open it up in the store. In the store it's 75. In the cooler it's 66. In there at 68. In there at 68. In there at 66. That's what it looks like in there now, with it being smaller and everything. See how much smaller it is than before? Way easier to pack around. This air conditioned, automatically controlled temperature control unit is much easier to carry around. Harder to get video on though. You will need to verify with a competent doctor, a pharmacist, a manufacturer, and prescription serial number in order to get the most accurate data.